In primetime news this evening, warehouse up in flames in St. Andrew.
More than 50 vendors displaced after fire gut section of the Purnell Charles Market.
And the Prime Minister promises to address issues affecting restive workers in the tourism industry. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And a special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious. For the preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Luck.
Well, Janella, Spirit Airlines today filed for bankruptcy protection, but the company will continue to operate as it restructures. And some good news, Jamaica welcomed Avelo Airlines' inaugural flight from Hartford, Connecticut on the weekend. Those stories and more in the Business Day.
Thank you, Log. And Renato is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports, or as I call it,
the big show.
The big show.
Well, Archie, what I can tell you is that, guess what? The Reggae Boys coach, the McLaren, expected to make at least one change to the starting 11 as the Reggae Boys take on the United States in their second leg quarterfinal contest in the Nations League. We'll tell you all about that.
Okay, I think that's...
One?
Yeah.
It doesn't sound like that big a show, but we'll find out.
And Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, the Met Office is expecting a drier period over the next few days. It's not until about the weekend that we are putting some more showers and thunderstorms in the forecast, but more so for sections of western parishes.
And some Christmas breeze.
Yes.
I need to add that. You have to find out whether that's going to happen in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, Archie, we're asking this. What more can be done to prevent fires at vendor arcades?
These answers should be interesting. You can share yours online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.